Hello Kabsuhenyos! Narito kami sa Cavite State University o main campus ng Cavite State University para
igala namin kayo sa tinda at ipakita sa inyo ang iba't ibang colleges na sa loob ng aming campus.
tara na!
So this is the main gate of Cavite State University.
Guys, this is College of Physical Education and Recreation, and located is here in front of the oval and side of the process.
This is the College of Veterinary Medicine and Biomedical Sciences.
And this is College of Agriculture, Food, Environment, and Natural Resources.
And this is the College of Education.
And guys, this is College of Criminal Justice.
Nasaan mo kayo?
Hi guys, and this is Graduate School of Economics.
So this is the old building of College of Economics, Management and Development Studies.